Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you a reading for Aries, and this is going to be a monthly reading for October 2020. And guys, this is going to be a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I post regularly, and it would be great to have you around in my journey. And you can now also follow me in Instagram and in Facebook. So thank you once again. Let's start. I'm starting with the Moonology cards, right? So get an overall idea. Messages for Aries for October 2020. I'm gonna keep my videos short this time. Last time it has gone to half an hour, so I've been, let's see. I can't, you know, I don't know what to do because I've been getting like your videos are too long. I'm gonna, make it short and sweet. All right. Let's see. Messages for Aries. What are the messages for Aries for October 2020? Messages for Aries for October 2020. General messages. Messages for Aries for October 2020. Messages for Aries for October 2020. Can you please give me clear, precise messages for Aries from... Okay. Alright, one more shuffle, otherwise I'll start picking cards, alright? Messages for Aries, please. What are the messages for Aries? Right, we have been getting this card for most of the readings, right? Communication is key. So this card clearly says that you need to communicate well, alright? You need to focus on your communication skills. Okay. New moon in Gemini, which means that there is a huge focus being put on your communication. You need to communicate well here, alright? Then work through your fears, which means that you need to, you know, be confident. You need to work on how to, keep your fears away from, going forward into something. You need to accept that you are afraid of something, but you have to be strong and you have to face your fears, right? You need to work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. New, what is happening to new? I don't even have a cat. We have two new moon cards here. New moon in Gemini and new moon in Scorpio. Now let's see any more messages for Aries for October 2020. Alright, so looks like those are the two main things here. Alright. Alright. Let's get your tarot. Okay, messages for Aries. We're gonna go with a full spread and then clarifiers. Alright, so bear with me. I really hope and you're not getting bored because I have lengthy videos. Alright. Excuse me. Justice, balance coming into your life. Alright, Libra energy. So there is some kind of balance coming into your life. In October, you might feel that the justice has been served, equality, right? Let's see messages for Aries. Messages for Aries, please. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries for October 20. What are the messages for Aries for October 2020? Two of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Alright. So we have Two of Pentacles here. Somebody is juggling here, right? I really feel that they are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So I really feel that somebody's multitasking or somebody is trying to balance a situation here. Now we have the Ten of Pentacles. So I really feel that somebody is trying to bring balance into a situation, bringing happy ending in their lives regarding money. Then we have the Six of Cups. This clearly says that there is somebody thinking about you, or you having memories or nostalgia about somebody or a situation where you felt that everything was perfect. And this can also be a return of your soulmate and ex here with the Six of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Alright, let's see. Messages for Aries for October 2020. messages for Aries for October 2020. We have the Page of Cups here. Yeah, somebody returning, guys. I really feel that this is somebody you already know. They are bringing some kind of a message back to you. I really feel that somebody wants to communicate here with you, guys. Sudden offer coming towards you with the Page of Cups here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Excuse me. We have the Hangman. Somebody's not sure. Somebody's taking time to think here with the Hangman energy. We have Temperance here, Hangman and Temperance. So somebody's taking time to think about it, and there is balance coming into your life, or somebody's trying to bring balance into your life. Sagittarius energy here. All right. What is happening? Message for Aries, please. What are the messages for Aries? What are the messages for Aries? What are the messages for Aries? Yes. 8 of Cups. Somebody might have left a situation. Somebody might have walked out of a relationship or a situation. And somebody's feeling the loss. I really feel that maybe that is the reason you're trying to balance things in your life here. Let's get more clarity. What's happening for you guys? So I really feel that there is some kind of a situation where you're trying to bring balance into a situation, or you're trying to juggle things here, bringing that 10 of Pentacles, stability into your life, and the 6 of Cups. There are memories here. There is somebody coming back into your life here, right? And with the Page of Cups, this might be a sudden return of somebody in your life. And we have the Hangman. Somebody's not sure. Somebody's taking time to think about it. And we have the Temperance, trying to balance the situation, right? Testing the waters, trying to balance the situation. Sagittarius energy, fire energy here. And then we have the 8 of Cups. Somebody might have already left a situation. Somebody might have walked out of a relationship or a situation, putting the other person in a place of, regret, sadness. Okay. Okay, we have silence here. This card clearly came out, clearly saying that there is silence from them, or you need to listen to your intuition to bring that silence in. Listen to that intuition and bringing that harmony into your life with the 10 of Cups here. Messages for Aries, please. Messages for Aries. Change. So there is change coming towards you guys. There is an ending of a cycle. 2 tens coming together, bringing harmony, wish fulfillment, and changes. Things are moving towards a better, conditioning. So I really feel that you're moving towards conditioning of yourself. You're being very strong. You're being conditioning yourself, and there is abundance coming into your life. King of Pentacles. So I really feel that you're moving towards a huge shift, huge change here with the abundance here. King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Yes, please. We have patience here, which means that that's the Sagittarius energy. I really feel that 7 of Pentacles coming here, clearly saying that this is the time for you to focus on what you're doing and not wait for a result here. This means that you need to patiently wait. Things are happening, but you need to patiently wait for it. We have past lives here, which clearly says that you know this person from before, or this is something which is, continuing from the previous birth, previous life. And we have the King of Swords here, which this clearly says that you are taking control of a situation, or this might be a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Somebody is taking control of a situation and understanding. Okay, very nice. So there is a huge understanding here, or this might be somebody understanding things from a totally different perspective here with the Page of Cups here. We have the Page of Cups again. So I really feel that they are ready to come towards you and make a change here. Okay, coming towards you. There's a moment to moment here, which means that things are happening here, but it's like taking one step at a time, right? To moving towards the goal, but taking one step at a time here. And we have awareness here. This is not about finding answers to your question from outside, or you are looking for some kind of clarity from outside, but this clearly says that you have all the information within you. You need to find the awareness or information from within you. Okay, then we have the Fool here. This means that you're starting on a new journey. You're taking a leap of faith into a situation here. All right. Messages for Aries for the month of October. Compromise, Six of Cups coming out again. This clearly says that there is a patch up here. This means that you're meeting the other person. Sorry, this is Six of Pentacles, equal give and take in a situation. So this means that you're meeting the other person halfway, trying to understand things and work out things here. And we have mind here. This means that there is so much of things going inside your head, bringing that stress into your life. Seven of Fire here. Okay, Seven of Fire energy. And then we have isolation. So there was some kind of a breakup in the past, right? Somebody might have left the situation and somebody's still thinking about it, bringing that stress here. And you might feel that you're isolated here. All right? Wow. What's happening? Let's get few of these cards out. You'll get a complete picture, right? Thank you. Answer the call. So what is your soul calling you to do? So which means that if you feel that uh, this is like understanding, you need to have that awareness. So you need to be aware what's your calling, right? Now where are you being called to journey to? Oh wow, this is like spiritual journey, guys. This is understanding where you are and what you want to do, and where you want to go. You need to understand things more clearly here. All right. Beautiful. Messages for Aries, please. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries, please. Thank you. Fill up your well. Retreat, rest, refuel. It's like a Four of Swords energy, which means that this is the time for you to move forward. Rest and rejuvenate. Understand things from a different perspective. You don't have to act on anything and everything which is coming your way. Now, inner temple, devotion. Tune into your portal of your heart, which means that you need to listen to your intuition, your heart, where your feelings are at. You need to open up to new possibilities as well. You need to understand that your soul is much more important than the physical aspects. I really feel that you need to have that awareness in your life. Transformation, so things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing, so you need to heal. Whatever has happened for a reason. This is the time for you to reflect on your soul's calling here. All right, so let's get few of these cards out. I'm just pulling random cards because I just felt like I should be doing this. Now, harvest. This might be cutting off something, the 10 here, right? So this means that you're cutting off unwanted things, or there's an ending here. There might be a harvest as well. So you need to be sure about how you're, taking a situation here. You can cut off, unwanted people from your life, or you might be. This can also be used to, cut off the harvest, right? You are in a place where you are understanding things. Your words and your actions have equal. Um, what do you say? They have repercussions. So I really feel that you need to be careful with your energy here. All right. I really feel that you are so much confused here and you are not sure how to handle a situation here. Messages for Aries. What are the messages for Aries, please? Messages for Aries. Any more messages for Aries? So 10, which can also means that there is an ending, there is a harvest coming towards you. So you will reap what you sow. So that's what I feel like here. All right. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries, please. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries, please. We have 13, child. This means that there is a new beginning here, or there is somebody, a child might be affecting your situation, your life, or this might be something new coming into your life, childlike energy here. So this might be somebody coming into your life, or a birth of something new here. You might be cutting off something, ending off something, and starting on something small. It might be a small business or something new here. There's a man here, which means that you might be starting on a relationship with somebody here, right? This might be a person who is really interested in you, or you are interested in this new. This might be even a starting of a new relationship here, guys. And we have the snake here. Be sure about their intention. There is some kind of they might not be telling you, or there might be a situation where you feel that you need to be carefully analyzing the situation before giving it your 100%. Now we have the 12 here. This is all about communication, birds, communication. So there is communication open here, and we have the home here, which means that stability. You have there is communication bringing some kind of stability into your life, but you need to be careful of the intentions here. All right. So this is the time for you to understand how you're feeling, how you're thinking here, right? So guys, this is your message for October 2020. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.